Welcome to Adosia, a decentralized manufacturing hub providing 3D printing services to the Cardano community and beyond. Designers, printers, operators, and consumers are all incentivized to participate with Adosia ADO tokens. Adosia provides economic opportunities that are changing the future of work. Today we are happy to present the product of our first milestone for our Fund 9 Catalyst proposal, Adosia 3D Marketplace Updates. Our first milestone is to present the user journey for the updated features coming to the Adosia Decentralized Manufacturing Hub. We are providing 5 feature additions to the marketplace. The features we are adding are profiles for operators, guild networks, managing IP rights, automated shipping, and queue management. Before we dive into how each of these features will benefit the users of the system, we've completed a round of market research for the project and found some very interesting information about our growing community of 3D printing enthusiasts. 90% of our existing community of users has purchased NFTs. We're a project based on Cardano, so this isn't so surprising. However, 82% have reported that they've never purchased a custom-made item for themselves or a loved one. But 92% have someone in their life that they would like to gift a custom item to, and they're willing to spend between $50 and $100 for that custom item. These initial survey questions helped us to price the Spacecoins Rocket Drop, which will be the stress test for our systems prior to the full launch of our incentivized testnet. We have some additional usability questions that are currently being distributed to an even larger audience, comprised of 3D printer operators and their potential customers, so expect more feedback from users in our next milestone installment. These usability survey questions will help us to dial in the user interface to meet the needs of operators who will use the system for managing their print job queue. We're excited about these updates to the marketplace and the warm reception from the community which has supported us on this journey. Now let's dive into the new features. We've provided our MVP user journey here in the gray boxes, and we've highlighted the new features coming to the marketplace in orange. Each of these 5 new features will represent usability and quality of life improvements to make our decentralized manufacturing hub ready for other future enhancements. Our profiles for operators have up to 3 paths that a user will go down depending on their roles in the hub. It is important to note that a general shopper can browse the entire marketplace without ever signing in. They will only need to create an account when they choose to actually purchase something from the marketplace. The designers and printers, on the other hand, will need to create their accounts and configure their profiles fully so that they can interact with the smart contracts and the user community. A user is allowed to have all 3 roles on the network, and if information has already been provided by the user, they will only need to be verified for the additional roles. Profiles represent the first major step toward our user reputation system. Guild networks are an exciting feature that allows specialty networks to form that can offer enhanced services, protect the intellectual property of designers, and limit printing opportunities to only vetted, trusted printer operators. Overall, this feature is going to allow digital design owners to take more control over the production of their finished goods. Guild networks are a necessary evolution to allow closely held, proprietary designs to be built using our network. One important aspect of the economic opportunities in the Adosia marketplace is the enforcement of designers receiving payments for their design when an end user chooses to print through the network. The IP rights management feature will allow designers to transfer the rights to their payments to a third party. IP rights management is the initial tooling required for decentralizing ownership rights. Shipping is a painful process anytime you deal with physical goods. Our current shipping process is multi-step and requires manual intervention and sending private user information to printer operators. Our automated shipping will eliminate most of the steps, which eliminates errors and saves time for the printer operators. Lastly, our queue management system is being built to provide a configurable threshold to give printer operators a fair shot at receiving jobs. Currently, the queue does not limit jobs at all, so the potential exists for a small number of printer operators to monopolize jobs without consideration to their capabilities and production capacity. Queue management will work to balance how quickly a job is shown to operators based on their current in-network responsibilities. This quality control step will help to ensure that end customers will have a reasonable experience with production timelines. All 5 of these powerful new features will help to further set Adosia apart as an innovative force in decentralized manufacturing. We are looking forward to sharing the improved user interfaces in our next milestone report, coming mid to late December. While you're waiting for that next milestone, we would like to share one final piece of news from the Adosia team. Working in conjunction with real rocket engineers, we have designed and test printed our Spacecoins rockets. We will host an NFT sale in December where users can purchase an NFT and with it the right to print one of 5,000 unique rockets. All parts will be printed using the Adosia Decentralized Manufacturing Hub. Interested users can participate in this drop to help us stress test the distribution and delivery mechanisms that will be used in the marketplace. It's time to launch. Get more details at adosia.com today. Thank you for watching. And thank you for your support of Cardano's decentralized manufacturing hub, Adosia.